Today we are going to talk about the Biosphere reserves, an important topic for UPSC prelims. Here we are going to deal with what are Biosphere reserves, how many Biosphere reserves are present worldwide, and a special focus has been given upon Indian Biosphere reserves. What are the Biosphere reserves? These are the natural and the cultural landscapes. So cultural landscape should be remembered, and then they extend over a large terrestrial and the coastal ecosystem, or even a combination of both. They are established by the countries and they are recognized by the UNESCO as a part of Man and Biosphere program. This program was started in 1971 in order to conserve environment along with promotion of the sustainable development. Within the Biosphere Reserve, there are three zones. First is core area, second is buffer area, and third is transition zone. No activity, nothing is permitted within the core area, so there is least or no interference in core area, and both flora and fauna's diversity, be it species diversity or the genetic diversity, that could be promoted. And in buffer zone, certain activities are permitted. In transition zone, more openness is there and more number of activities are permitted. So in core area, no human activities, no pressure is allowed. In buffer zone, certain activities are permitted like restoration, limited recreation, tourism. Important is here fishing and grazing, which could be confused that it is related to transition zone, but it is related to buffer zone itself. And research and educational activities are permitted. In transition zone, activities of settlement, croplands, managed areas and areas of intensive recreation is permitted. So limited recreation is related to the core zone and intensive recreation is related to the transition zone. So if we talk about the world, then biosphere, as far as UNESCO map is concerned, there are 136 biosphere reserves across 136 countries where biosphere reserves are located. And how many biosphere reserves has been recognized by the UNESCO map program? To 759 biosphere reserves have been recognized by the UNESCO. Maximum number of recognition has been given to the Spain's Biosphere Reserve 53, and then followed by the Russia and followed by the USA. Within India, there are total number of biosphere reserves are 18, but UNESCO has recognized only 13 biosphere reserves. Latest one to be recognized by the UNESCO map program is this cold desert. So here we are going to deal with a sort of in a tabular form where we'll be seeing within the Biosphere Reserve wildlife sanctuaries, and then flora and fauna present there, important tribes present, a sort of vegetation and rivers. So first is cold desert where Chandratal Wildlife Sanctuary is located. Then Kibber Wildlife Sanctuary is located. Pin Valley National Park is located, and Sarchu is located. Important fauna found here is snow leopard and Tibetan antelope. Important tribes found here are Bots or the Bots in Spiti Valley, Swanglas in Pattan Valley, and Lahaulas in Lahore Valley. Second is Nanda Devi. It is located in Uttarakhand. It is biosphere reserve as well as wildlife heritage site. Important fauna present here is snow leopard and Himalayan black bear. Sundarbans, it is not only a biosphere reserve but also wildlife heritage site, world heritage site, sorry, and wildlife sanctuary and Ramsar site. And within Sundarbans, Halliday Wildlife Sanctuary is located, Sajne Khali Wildlife Sanctuary is located, Lothian Wildlife Sanctuary is located. It is formed on the confluence of the Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna. And this Sundarban is not exclusive to India. They expand over to Bangladesh, and Bangladesh Sundarbans are also part of this UNESCO map program. Important fauna found here is Royal Bengal tiger. It has the highest number of Royal Bengal tiger in the world. Important flora present is Sundari tree, or its scientific name is Heritera forms, and Geva trees. Sundarban swamp forest and Sundarban mangroves are its vegetation type. When we move towards the south, Gulf of Mannar, it is located between the India and Sri Lanka. Important river passing through is Thamir Barani River and Vaipa River from India. Important species present here is dugong. Dugong is already a question which has come in prelim, so we need to read it separately from the Wikipedia. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, it is part of the Western Ghat, and it expands from Karnataka, Kerala to Tamil Nadu. And important wildlife sanctuary and national park within is it are From Karnataka, Nagarhole and Bandipur are present. From Kerala, Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary, Silent Valley and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary are present. And from Tamil Nadu, Mudumalai, Mukurti, Confusa, Satyamangalam Wildlife Sanctuary are present. Rivers passing through are, it is located on the east of the Brahmagiri River, and river passing through it are Kabini River, Bhavani River and Sigur River. Important animals or fauna present here are lion-tailed macaw, Nilgiri tahar. Even this Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve has the highest number of Nilgiri tahar here. Type of vegetation is tropical and subtropical moist broadleaf forest, moist and dry deciduous forest and mountain forest. Important tribes present are Todas, Kotas, Irulas, Kurumbas and Chetis. Chetis is already a previous year question, so please go through it from the Wikipedia. And this Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve, it expands from Kerala to Tamil Nadu. Basically, it is located at the junction of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And important wildlife sanctuaries present are Nayar, Pepara, Shondurni Wildlife Sanctuary. These three are from Kerala, and this Kalakkad Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve, it is located in Tamil Nadu. Vegetation type is tropical wet evergreen forest, southwest moist deciduous forest, Shola forest. Important tribe present here is Kanikaran tribe. Please read about them. An important river passing through it is Karmana River. Now, I have created in tabular form so that it is more visible. So, when we move towards the east, Nokrek Wildlife Sanctuary or Nokrek Biosphere Reserve, it is a part of, or it is located in West Garo Hills. So, one question could be whether it is in Garo, Khasi or Jaintia. So, it is in Garo. It is a part of the biodiversity hotspot along with the Balpakram National Park. Important river passing through is Simsang River. And flora and fauna present here is red panda. Red panda is also present in Sikkim, Arunachal and West Bengal. Hulo gibbon is found here. Important flora found here is Citrus indica. Trivia, Rongbang Dare waterfall is present in Nokrek Biosphere Reserve, and Tura Peak of West Garo Hills is also present in Nokrek Biosphere Reserve. Kanchenjunga National Park, it is third highest peak in the world. It lies in the east of the Teesta River. Its vegetation type is temperate broadleaf and mixed forest. Important fauna present here is snow leopard, red panda and Himalayan musk deer. Important type present here is Lepcha tribe. Lepcha tribe is already a previous year question, so please go through them. In north, there lies Jongpong Peak. It is located on the tri-junction. The Jongpong Peak is located on the tri-junction of India and Nepal. Tholung Monastery, again a question from the ancient history has already come from this part. So please read Tholung Monastery also. This Panchmadi National Park, it is part of important district Narmadapuram and Betul. And within this, Bori sanctuary is there, Panchmadi sanctuary is there and Satpura sanctuary is there. So PBS. Important flora and fauna present here is giant squirrel. It is located in, or Satpura range is located here, and highest peak of Satpura range is Dhupgarh. Panna Tiger Reserve, it is recently recognized, I think in 2020, and Cane River passes through this, and Daudan Dam is to be constructed on this Cane River only. Vegetation type is tropical and subtropical dry broadleaf forest. Whenever interlinking of Cane and Betwa is done, then it is believed that Panna Tiger Reserve is going to be affected most. Next is this Achanakmar Amarkantak. 68% of it is located in Chhattisgarh. Important district is Bilaspur, and within MP it is located, 32% is there, and it is divided across two districts. It is the source of Narmada, Son and Johila river. Trivia is that here bauxite rocks are present. Lowland rice fields are located here, which are in Chhattisgarh. They can be grown, not located. And wheat field of MP. So rice fields are in Chhattisgarh, wheat fields are in MP. Michael, Satpura and Vindhya, all the three ranges are present there. It acts as this Achanak Maramar Kantak acts as a water divide between the Bay of Bengal river and Arabian rivers. So this is an important fact which should be kept in mind. Next is Simplifal. It is in Mayurbhanj district. Mayurbhanj district is important because it is an important elephant reserve, and also it is known for iron ore. Here moist deciduous forests are present, and important Species present here are Gaur, Royal Bengal tiger and Asian elephant. Tribes important here are Khadia, Ho and Santal tribe. It was a center for 2021 Simplipal forest fires. Here animals are prone to the cerebral malaria. Basically, I think it is in lion. It is prominent among the lions. And then important falls present here are Joranda Falls and Barahi Pani Falls. Great Nicobar. It is here we have two national parks, Campbell Bay and Galathia National Park. Important vegetation type is tropical and subtropical forest and then moist broadleaf forest. Important tribes present here are Nicobaris and Shompen tribe. It is a part of Indo-Malayan realm. These last 4 or 5 biosphere reserve, these are not part of the UNESCO map, but they have been recognized by the Indian government. So we can learn them like 3 are from the northeast India, 1 is from the west India and another is from the southeast India. So, Biosphere Reserve, it is in Assam and it is a national park, wildlife sanctuary. It is a part of Project Tiger Reserve also, and it is also an elephant reserve. It is continuous with the Royal Manas National Park in Bhutan. Manas River passes through it. Grassland type vegetation is there, and Bengal florican is found there. Bengal florican has the IUCN status of the being critically endangered. Assam roof turtle is found here. Hispid hare is found here. Pygmy hog is found here, and wildlife water buffalo is found here. Pygmy hog also used to be critically endangered few years, but now its status has been changed to endangered. Dibru Saikhowa, is in Assam. It is the largest saline swamp forest in northeast India. Important river passing through Dibru Saikhowa is Brahmaputra River and Lohit River in north, Dibru River in south. Vegetation type is mixed semi-evergreen forest and mixed deciduous forest. Important fauna present here is white-winged wood duck, water buffalo, black breast-fed parrotbill. Dihang Dibang, it is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Within this, Moling National Park are present and Dibang Wildlife Sanctuary is present. It expands from tropic to tundra and Mishmi Hills is present in this Dibang and Dihang. Great Ran of Kutch, it is a Ramsar site also. It is the largest biosphere reserve in India. West Banas River passes through it and Luni Rivers empties here. Luni River is west flowing river. Indian wild ass is present here and Chirbatti, a unique phenomena of lightning is there occurs here in Great Ran of Kutch. There is repeated falls in sea level giving rise to extensive marshland. It is a 2023 question. Sheshachalam Hills, it is in Andhra Pradesh. Here Sri Venkateshwar National Park is present. Important vegetation or important for flora is red sandalwood there. Red sandalwood is already a previous year question. Please go through them. Important fauna present here is slender loris and Tirumala hills are present here and 7 other hills are present there also. No need to remember them, but one can go through them through the Wikipedia. So these are brief and the comprehensive biosphere reserves of India.